This video will explain the proper procedure for cleaning a face shield. To clean your shield, doff the shield, clean hands, and put on vinyl gloves. Next, use a hospital-approved disinfectant and be sure to wipe down all surfaces of the face shield, outside and inside. The surface needs to remain wet for 60 seconds for proper disinfection. If you notice that your reusable shield is broken, please don't continue to use the shield and contact your manager or delegate for replacement. After your face shield is clean, place it back down. Then remove and discard your gloves. Finally, wash your hands again to prevent the further spread of infection.